In this video, we're going to show you how to sort by cell color in Excel. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Excel file that has the data you want to sort. Look for the column where the cells are colored. Click on any one of the colored cells in that column. This helps Excel know which column you want to work with. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the Data tab. Inside the Data tab, find the group called Sort and Filter. Now, click on the Sort button. This will open a dialog box where you can control how your data is sorted. In the dialog box, look at the checkbox that says, My data has headers. If your table has headers, like column names, make sure this box is checked. If it doesn't have headers, you can leave it unchecked. Now, we move to the first drop-down that says Sort By. Click on it and choose the name of the column that has the colored cells. Then, in the next drop-down called Sort On, select Cell Color. This tells Excel that you want to sort based on the color of the cells, not the values or text. After that, you'll see the Order section. In this part, click on the color you want to sort by. This color will be moved either to the top or the bottom of your list, depending on what you choose. In most cases, On Top is selected, so the colored rows come first. You can also choose On Bottom. You can also click Add Level if you want to sort by more than one color. For example, bring all red cells to the top and then all yellow ones below that. Once you have selected the right column, the correct color, and the order you want, click OK. Excel will now sort your data, moving all the cells with the chosen color to the top of the list. And that's it. You've just sorted your data by cell color in Excel. Thanks for watching.